Morning, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good grief, it feels like I haven't been in here in a very long time. I haven't. I really want to start doing furniture again. I don't want to paint any more fabric. So we're going to. But I got to get some other projects done first. I am so tired today. First of all, the kids got an archery tournament and they're down there doing that. I started cooking to freeze. So I started booyah. Not done yet. That takes a day overnight and then another day. And then started egg rolls. I blanched those and I get the egg rolls. We're going to freeze those. We're going to make cream cheese wonton. Oh, I am cooking today. But while I'm waiting for my blanched cabbage to get all the liquid off of it, I'm going to do this. So I picked this up at a garage sale. I don't know, 2 summers ago. I want to say 2 summers ago. I remember getting it. But it was, look at this. It's hand painted and it was to Marlene and Dick. And Marlene and Dick gave it to a church garage sale. I remember the little church garage sale. It is signed. It's a beautiful little drawing. It looks like a drawing. But I don't love the blue. And it's damaged, right? So it's been needing to be done for a while. It's a doom pile project because 2 years. Could this have been done 2 years ago? In a heartbeat, like real super quick, no problem. But did I do it? No. Here we are with Marlene and Dick's painting. Do I take it out and take it apart? I don't know. I'm thinking on it. I'm thinking I might remove the back. Grace Lund did this. Does everybody know a Grace Lund? I swear I know a Grace Lund. I don't think she was an artist like this though. Let me see if I can remove the backing because it will make painting it much, much quicker. I want to do something like probably white or gray, something that gives it a little more dimension and detail than blue. Something that maybe take and pull out some other colors than blue. And then blue, and then more blue, and probably some blue. I love blue, and I wouldn't do that. No, Miss Grace used this to hold the whole thing in. There are no glazing points. There are no, when I look down in there, this is holding it together. So we're going to tape off the glass. Gonna tape the glass. I have more painter's tape than I really know what to do with, so I might as well just tape it off. If you're from Minnesota and you know somebody who works at 3M, you have more painter's tape than you could ever need. All right, I'm going to tape off the glass, which is very exciting. Had to sneeze. Oh, had to sneeze again. I sneeze very loud and it's unpleasant. Everyone at Pickett is getting sick and I am just beside myself. I do not want to get sick. I'm not happy. I made it through my boss getting COVID. And the other one having a cold. So, yeah. I've been barely hanging on here trying to not get sick this season. And then the owner of Pickett went down and a bunch of other people. So I'm just like obsessively washing my hands. And then I was going to go help with the tournament today, and then I went, no. You know what? I need to rest. I need to do stuff around here. I need to just chill for a minute because I've been working. I did 2 full-time shifts, 10 to 5 at Pickett, which really means 8 to 5. So I just need to rest. And that means I get to paint. So I'm excited to paint and get this frame just sort of improved. This is 2 rolls of tape and they won't come apart, and I don't know why. So I'm using just half the roll. I kept pulling on it and pulling on it, and I'm like, apparently I've lost all my strength. Okie doke. So I am going to scuff this up just to make sure that we get a good adhesion. I don't know what paint this is, so we're just going to hit the high points here. Maybe I'll do, hang on. Sorry, I got a phone call. Okay, while I was talking, I finished scratching off and wiped it down. Let me get you guys changed around. And what I'm thinking is, what I was about to say before I was so rudely interrupted by a phone call, is I'm going to paint it white and then glaze it. Because I think a vintage look around those flowers would be kind of cute. So I took this white. Oh, hang on. All right. So we got it mixed. It's a little thick, but who cares? I feel like that would make this super cute to do like a glaze over the top. Not a smoke glaze, but a vintage glaze. And we're gonna do that. For those of you who are like, why did she tape off the center? Because I'm a very messy painter. This is good to know about yourself. And edging. Is that in there? I am going to grab my hairdryer because I don't have a lot of time today. Okay. Ooh, see, messy painter. Next coat. Probably should have put the brush away. All right. That has to dry, but I gotta clean my brush this time. And we're dry, and I got myself a damp cloth here. I don't know my pinky. Let's open our brown glaze. I shook this up real good. Love a nice glaze. I used to hate it, remember? Who remembers that far back when Stacy hated glazed anything? You're one of my favorites because you remember that far back. We are gonna stripe glaze this thing. I'm just gonna put a nice good layer on there. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I'm gonna let these sit for a minute. I think it was the glaze I was using that I didn't like. I had that blue glaze from the Wise Owl. I hated it. Ugh. It's not my thing. But I love this. I don't like the smoke glaze either. I like this. This is the only glaze I like. The brown. I can't say that. I did make my own glaze. I mixed my own glaze. And I did a purple glaze back in the day that I did over the top of a piece of furniture, and that turned out amazing. All right. Now we're just going to take our damp cloth and take this off. Yeah, some dimension. Look at that. That's what this piece was missing. I mean, it's a great cottage picture with the flowers. She did a beautiful job. Grace did a great job. Just the frame was making it look like meh. Now I bet Dick and whoever are going to want this thing back because they're going to see how beautiful it is. The new frame. And God's blessing will be on them again, as it says on there. God's blessing is upon you. And you just wipe off till you're happy with it. And I want to leave the dark definitely in those crevices. Yes, I like that. Much better. Thank you very much. Let me close up my glaze, wash off my brush. We're going to pull the tape and we're going to see how beautiful it is. All right, everything is cleaned up and capped off, and let's see what we've got here. Clean that up. Ha! 1989. Told you it was the 80s. You have to scrape the paint. You gotta get the glaze off the glass. Yeah, much better. Not bad for a project in between projects. So, it's good to remind myself that while I'm waiting for other things to happen outside of this room, I can go work on a little project like this and start making more impact on my doom piles. See it back there? See the doom pile back there? Doom pile. So my doom pile back there needs to be taken care of. Like, we need to take care of it. So, yeah, it's always a good reminder for me, because I was cooking this morning and I'm doing all that stuff, and I had to wait for this stuff to, like, the liquid to drain off, and you have to, like, put salt on it and let it sit for, like, hours. Got a project done in the meantime. It looks so cute. Look at it. And it's just different. I mean, it needed to be improved because of how dirty the frame was, but it gives it a little bit of dimension being white with the glaze on it instead of matchy blue. And that's very dated 1980s, like 1989. It said right there on the picture. So very dated look. And I just wanted to give it more of a cottage core update. And now it's clean and it's ready to go in somebody else's house. And hopefully maybe Grace Lund's friends, Marlene and Dick, will see it again and go, hey, we want it back. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.